Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: A Guide to Large-Scale Development with Python. Introduction. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that can be used for projects of all sizes. However, when it comes to large-scale development, there are specific practices, tools, and techniques that can help you manage complexity, maintainability, and collaboration. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Python effectively for large-scale development, including code organization, dependency management, testing, and collaboration. Organizing your code base is essential for large-scale development. A well-structured project makes it easier to navigate, understand, and maintain your code. Consider the following project structure. Large-scale projects often have dependencies. Virtual environments help isolate these dependencies for different projects. Create a virtual environment using venv. Activate the virtual environment. Install project dependencies from a requirements.txt file. Use Git for version control to track changes and collaborate with others. Initialize a Git repository. Create a .gitinerary file to specify files or directories that should not be tracked. Commit your changes. Large-scale projects require robust testing to ensure code quality. Use a testing framework like ptest. Write tests in the test/directory and organize them similarly to your source code. Example test with ptest. To run tests. Set up continuous integration, CI, using platforms like Travis CI or GitHub Actions to automatically run tests on each commit. Large projects benefit from clear documentation. Use docstrings to document functions and classes. Consider using tools like Sphinx to generate documentation from docstrings. Collaboration is crucial in large-scale development. Use Git branches for feature development and bug fixes. Pull requests, PRs, facilitate code review and integration. Platforms like GitHub provide PR workflows. Large-scale development in Python involves careful project organization, dependency management, version control, testing, documentation, and collaboration. By following these best practices, you can build and maintain complex Python projects more effectively. Remember that adaptability is key in large-scale projects. As your project evolves, refine your practices and tools to meet its specific needs. Happy coding! ChatGPT